Hey there, are you looking for the perfect gift? For a big kid in your life? Look no further than the 24V Ride on Toys for Big Kids licensed Ford Bronco Raptor 2-seater ride. On cars with remote control. It's not just any ride-on toy, it's a high-quality, officially licensed Ford Bronco Raptor replica that will have your child cruising in style. With a four-wheeler suspension, 3 speeds, LED lights, and Bluetooth capabilities, this ride-on truck has everything your little one needs for hours of fun and excitement. Imagine them cruising around the park in their very own Ford Bronco, turning heads wherever they go. So, what are you waiting for? Treat your big kid to the ultimate ride-on toy experience with the 24V Ride-on Toys for Big Kids. Licensed Ford Bronco Raptor 2-seater ride-on cars with remote control. Order now and make their dreams come true.